In 2024, wedding-ready nail trends are all about blending classic elegance with contemporary twists. Here are 150 wedding-ready nail ideas to inspire brides to be classic elegance. French manicure with delicate silver glitter tips. Soft pink nails with a subtle shimmer for a timeless look. Ivory nails adorned with tiny pearls for a touch of sophistication. Nude nails with a single Swarovski crystal accent on each finger. Sheer nude nails with a hint of gold foil detailing. Elegant almond-shaped nails in a soft blush pink hue. Pearl white nails with intricate lace nail art. Matte nude nails with a glossy French tip for a modern twist. Traditional red nails with a glossy finish for a bold statement. Classic nude nails with a thin silver line for understated glamour. Romantic florals. Pale pink nails with hand-painted floral accents. Soft lavender nails with delicate white rose decals. Dusty rose nails with gold foil floral patterns. White nails with dainty baby's breath flower designs. Peach nails with vintage-inspired floral lace accents. Watercolor floral nails featuring pastel shades. Subtle ombre nails in shades of pink with hand-painted roses. Nude nails with a single 3D rose embellishment. Pastel blue nails with delicate cherry blossom designs. Rose gold nails with intricate floral stamping. Modern minimalism. Clear acrylic nails with negative space geometric designs. Matte black nails with a single metallic accent nail. Graphic black and white striped nails for a contemporary look. Metallic chrome nails for a sleek and futuristic vibe. Simple nude nails with a tiny heart accent on each finger. Monochromatic nails featuring shades of gray. Abstract nail art in minimalist black and gold. Rose quartz-inspired nails with geometric rose gold accents. White nails with minimalist line art designs. Neutral nails with a subtle marble effect. Glitter and glam. Sparkling gold glitter gradient nails for a touch of glamour. Silver glitter ombre nails for a dazzling effect. Glittery rose gold nails with a holographic finish. Champagne glitter nails with crystal accents. Multicolored glitter nails for a playful twist. Glittery black nails with a pop of neon accent color. Glittery navy blue nails reminiscent of a starry night sky. Glitter ombre nails in shades of pink and purple. Chunky silver glitter nails for maximum sparkle. Glittery nude nails with a subtle ombre effect. Something blue. Pale blue nails with delicate white lace detailing. Sapphire blue nails with silver foil accents. Powder blue nails with silver glitter tips. Navy blue nails with a matte finish for a chic look. Blue ombre nails fading from light to dark. Baby blue nails with delicate pearl embellishments. Blue marble nails with gold leaf accents. Tiffany blue nails with silver rhinestone accents. Blue gradient nails with a holographic finish. Blue and white water marble nails for a unique twist. Vintage vibes. Red velvet nails inspired by old Hollywood glamour. Nude nails with vintage-inspired lace nail wraps. Classic red nails with a glossy finish. Vintage rose nails with a matte top coat. Nude nails with a single black lace accent nail. Art Deco-inspired nails featuring geometric designs. Vintage floral nails with a faded antique look. Classic red nails with a white polka dot accent. Nude nails with delicate vintage-inspired jewelry accents. Vintage-inspired nails with a soft pastel color palette. Destination dreaming. Tropical palm leaf nails for a beach wedding. Coral nails with gold foil accents for a seaside vibe. Sunset ombre nails in shades of orange and pink. Pastel rainbow nails for a whimsical destination wedding. Nautical-themed nails featuring stripes and anchors. Mermaid-inspired nails with iridescent scales. Blue ombre nails resembling the ocean waves. Seashell nails with pearl embellishments. Hawaiian floral nails in vibrant tropical hues. Dessert-inspired nails with cactus and succulent designs. Fairy tale fantasy. Princess pink nails with glittery tiara accents. Cinderella blue nails with silver glitter accents. Fairy wing nails with iridescent shimmer. Unicorn-inspired nails featuring pastel rainbow colors. Enchanted forest nails with hand-painted woodland creatures. Fairy tale castle nails with gold foil detailing. Magical potion nails with shimmering potion bottle accents. Fantasy floral nails with oversized flower embellishments. Glittery rainbow nails for a whimsical touch. Fairy tale character nails featuring your favorite storybook icons. Garden party glam. Floral ombre nails in shades of pink and green. Vine-inspired nails with delicate leaf accents. Butterfly nails with 3D butterfly embellishments. Garden rose nails with intricate petal detailing. Emerald green nails with gold leaf accents for a lush look. Romantic garden nails with soft pastel hues. Sunflower nails for a cheerful pop of color. Garden party nails featuring delicate floral patterns. Pink peony nails with hand-painted flower designs.